Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an executive summary for a case study. This crucial section offers a snapshot of your entire document, allowing busy executives to grasp the core message quickly. It acts as a standalone document, often being the only part many stakeholders read. We will cover the essential elements and best practices to ensure your summary is impactful and clear, typically spanning 1 to 2 pages. Every effective executive summary includes several core components. Begin by clearly stating the problem or challenge your case study addresses. Then, briefly outline the methods you employed to gather data and present your most significant findings. Follow this with the main conclusions derived from your analysis. Finally, provide concrete, actionable recommendations that directly address the initial problem, ensuring a logical flow. To create an impactful executive summary, adhere to several best practices. Aim for conciseness. A summary should typically be 1 to 2 pages, or about 5 to 10% of the full report's length. Use clear, professional language, avoiding technical jargon that might confuse a broader audience. Focus exclusively on the most critical information and key takeaways. Most importantly, ensure your summary can stand alone, providing a complete understanding without needing to read the entire case study. Once you have drafted your executive summary, the final step is to review and refine it thoroughly. Proofread meticulously for any grammatical errors, typos, or awkward phrasing. Check for clarity, ensuring your message is easily understood by a diverse audience. Verify that the summary accurately and completely reflects the content of your full case study. Finally, seek feedback from a trusted colleague to ensure its effectiveness and impact before final submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.